Uh, Okay, let's see. Is the volume nice? One, two, three. I think it's a little bit too loud. It's fine, probably. Yo, hello, I have no idea how to pronounce that name. Hello, Mario. I'm gonna call you that. Let me just change some stuff on my second monitor so it's readable. Okay. Oh my god, it's crazy, Mario, on my stream in this economy. It's your first. I'll never be able to pronounce this. Wait, I'm gonna try anyways. Don't judge me though. Abhirubhutacharya. What? Three in a row. Yeah, Zykos, I'm also shocked. I knew you were gonna be the one who will notice it. I believed in you. Good job. Wait, it's Roop? Bruh. Are you just making like 5 bajillion different accounts? Please don't do that. Or at least do whatever you want. Just don't use all of them to subscribe to me because it really fucks up everything. Nice to see you, Xycos. This, this the first time someone believed in. You have two accounts? Oh, okay. I had a feeling you had more for some reason. Too much alt make it seem like bots. Exactly. But like I'm already so popular, I gotta think about my reputation, man. I have 52 subs. Like I have 10. Hopefully the yesterday I was like, oh, the performance of the stream wasn't as good as from the day before. Uh, I look at the views, it's like 2 times less views. I was like, that's sad. Who cares anyways? I look at my subscribers and I got like 7 people. And I was like, excuse me, what? How did that happen? It's crazy how 7 people subscribing is such a big event for me. Also, I know no one cares about it that much, but there's this game Geometry Dash, and I almost beat a new hardest today. Almost. I died at 86%. Well, with that out of the way, uh, lurkers. Let me change to a cool username. Okay. 10 accounts is not that much. I've heard people having more. It's scary. I had a guy, friend. Okay, you can't even call him a friend. There was this idiot I knew, and he had a YouTube channel. Like it was a while ago. It was like maybe 6 years or 5 years ago, and he was posting some Among Us content. Like you do 5 or 6 years ago. And he had 25 alt accounts all subscribed to his channel, and also his dad and his mother, and he had 28 subscribers. Like that's just kind of sad. Yeah, he was my classmate. I mean, I was like what, 12 or 13 at that time. Basically everyone I knew was either some pedophile on the internet or a classmate. Anyways, a lot of cool stuff happened from last stream that you didn't see because I didn't stream it. That's crazy. I fixed the collision, so now it works. Also, there's like the enemy is now not lerping towards you, but actually moving like normally, and you take damage, and there are iframes. Isn't that crazy? Also, you don't die if you hit 0 HP, because I was too lazy to do that. Off-cam mining be like... What the frick is this Google UI? What are you talking about, Rube? Why is the enemy tweaking though? Uh, uh, it happens to the best of us. Right, I think this can be solved with a very simple fix of me making the UI, I mean the, where the hell is it? Yeah, 320 by 180. Now he's gonna be less of a tweaker. Okay, no, he's still tweaking. Okay, that's not good. We don't want no tweakers. What if I... Yeah. Uh, Man, you reminded me of The Flash. I love that series so much. I know it has like some crazy inconsistencies, but I I didn't really look at them as much, so I just enjoyed the show. It's good. It's good. I think a way I can fix it is by saying freak your render target. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep the render target with the where is it? Where do I do this? Oh, app, yeah. Change 1280 by 720. Okay, how does this look? Okay, I don't think you can see anything on the screen right now. But I'm gonna change that real quick. The newer season kind of sucks. Um, yeah. I don't wait. How many seasons are there? The last season I remember watching was the one where the villain, like one of the what is her name? Uh, Barry Allen's wife. Freaking, oh my god. Barry Allen wife. Yeah, Anne West Allen. Iris West. Yes, that her name. She was like ill with some time sickness. That's the last season I remember watching. I think it was either season 8 or 7. Wait. Uh Iris West time illness. Is that even a thing or am I going crazy? I gotta see all the wait. Flash seasons. Uh can I get like images of the each season? Like the posters? Wow, to 7.5. That's way higher than I expected. Where's this guy? Tom Kavanagh is insanely good. I hated so wait, I might be a little bit too loud, I just noticed. I absolutely hated him as the Reverse Flash, which is why he's like amazing. I hate Reverse Flash so much, still to this day. uh, okay, maybe it's in the Wikipedia. I can see the images. Season 1. Okay, no, that's not the images. I definitely watched season 5. Yeah, okay, I remember this. Season 6, Dead Men Running. I remember this episode. Okay, I remember this as well. The thing I hated quite a bit was the fact that Plurb. Yeah, I never watched that. I heard about it, that it's. Wait, is it the show I'm thinking about? Yeah, weren't you the one who recommended to me by the creators of Mexican show? Your new username, Quanta Dude. Okay, why do you even have the second account? For what purpose? Basically, what I was saying is I hate like these episodes because the Flash was at the same time as the Arrow, Superwoman, and some other TV show I don't remember. Was it Daredevil? I think it was Daredevil. And like once in a while they would have like these random episodes here, like part 3. You won't find part 2 or 1 anywhere here. So to watch this, I had to like find it probably on the Arrow or somewhere else like that to watch it. Oh my god, another freaking old account. The first one is my YouTube channel, which is now dead. Xycos probably has like all of the names. Like all of the numbers, sorry. Wait. I'm gonna watch some Xycos content on YouTube. Hopefully I don't get banned. Let's see. Okay. Day 1. Doing well. Some jumping. Some sword hitting. Okay, okay. Some nice camera work. Some particle effects. Or is it like casting spells? He crouching. Ooh. Insane. I'm sorry. I had to see it. Wait, what? Where's my Twitch? What? Did I close my... Oh wait, it's here. Oopsie daisy. Um... Yeah, I think I didn't watch season 9. It was already like 23. At that point, I got tired. Because the thing is, so at first, there were only 3 seasons when I started watching the show. Like, yeah, I was so young. Uh, I started watching it towards the end though. Nah, actually that clip. No, actually that clip actually didn't have the other thing I added on the same day, ledge climbing. I'm dying of cringe. Bruh, like you didn't post anything that bad, okay? There wasn't even your voice. Like, it's fine. If there was like your face there and like a 12-year-old talking behind the microphone being like, guys, welcome. This is a very difficult thing I did. Then it would be cringe. But otherwise, nah, chillax. Anyways, I watched the first 3 seasons. They were very good. Like, I would say this is tip of the top. Then when season 4 came out, I watched the first 3 seasons again, and then season 4. Then when season 5 and 6 came out on Netflix, they came out for some reason at the same time. I rewatched again from season 1 to season 6. Then when season 7 came out, I again watched from the very beginning. Like, I love this show. I can't describe it. I don't know why. He's always been my favorite hero. Like, I used to have so many different names. Like, for example, my Steam account name was Flash3581. The letters don't mean anything. Oh wait, no, the letters were the password to my computer. I think. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The letters were the passcode for my PC. Man, I love this show. Like, it was stupid though. I do admit that. The inconsistencies were very, very visible. But the sometimes acting was good. You know, I wouldn't say the best. Okay, I definitely didn't watch season 9. When was it released? 2023. Oof, it flopped. It's not even at 1 million views. Well, yeah. What is this world called? Because, like, this is. It's a spin off of Arrow. Oh, so Arrowverse. Arrow is the main hero. I didn't know that. I don't like Arrow. He's a bitch. I would rate them. So first we got. Can I zoom in? First, best hero, Barry Allen. I know the quality is amazing. Then we got Supergirl. Then we got Ice Boy and Hot Boy. Then we got. I forgot what his name is. Oh my god, he's like the husband of a friend of Barry. She's like number four. Then we got this guy, Arrow, number five, and everyone else is like everything else. I don't remember what they even do. That's how boring they are. Uh, I forgot YouTube have censorship on what I said. I have no idea what you said. What? I'm gonna put you in timeout because you did that. You're receiving a 1 second timeout. Oh wait, the minimum I can do is 10 seconds. Nah, that's too long. Flash flopped. Now there is only JavaScript. Okay. Wow. Bro was really thinking about that joke. I feel it. Anyways, what is the plan for today? Plan for today is to do something real quick. This returns vector 2 because I'm going to be using this function quite a lot, and yep, that's basically it. And then we return direction. Saying the plan 19-minute in. Okay, I had to warm up everything. Oh wait, I didn't even see someone. Scriptum archivum. Oh, that's still your account. Okay, never mind. So I did. Why did I pin that message? I'm still. I want to see if you have any cringe videos on this channel that we can all watch and enjoy together. No. That's sad. Okay. So for now, what I'm going to be trying to do is to basically make it so bullets shoot where you look and they also kill stuff when they hit stuff. I wiped my cringe video in history. No! We have lost it forever. Well, it was nice to know it, to see it. Okay. Why is everything so small? Oh, because I made it small. I'm gonna fix the spider going ham later tomorrow, probably. Just don't mind it freaking out right now. Like, if I remove... I fixed it even a little bit, because if I remove this distance check here, look at what beauty happens. What? Nothing happens. What? I'm sorry. Why is nothing happening? Do I need to, like, increase your speed? Yeah. Bro's, like, phasing out of reality. I don't know if you can see it. Let me scale up a bit. Look at him. He's phasing through reality itself. No, do not invite Ginger. I don't think you're popular enough to do that. But even if you are, please don't do that. He's gonna look at my code and proceed to undo himself. I'm also gonna add the get distance function because I'm using. I want to use the least amount of the least amount of vectors as possible. Him tweaking when he's right on use normal. That's just a floating point position bug. This. No, I know, I know. Also, speaking about it, I should add back the check so he doesn't tweak out. Okay. So in get distance, I'm just gonna copy the code from here. Return. Oh, by the way, hello, new chatter. Abdul45. I think you're new. I don't. My memory is bad at this point. Okay, let's see. This is A, and BB. Okay. Oh, math is not imported. I'm gonna wait till the stream reach 30 minutes, then I'm gonna go sleep early for once. I'm just gonna restart the stream at 29 minutes. What are you gonna do then? You will never escape this hell. Yeah, I'm new. I managed to get enemies to move without tweaking in my game, which... Nah, thank you. I'll survive on my own in this harsh world of game dev. Player.rect. Oh, why am I returning a vector 2? How am I returning a vector 2? What? F32. What else did I want to do? Oh yeah, and update entities. Was there like slice dot filter? Yeah. So here I pass in the game entities. So yesterday I had like the small issue of me not realizing how would I get like and because all of my entities are stored in a single dynamic array because ease of use, and I was wondering how do I get a specific type of entity from there, and someone suggested filter, which is a good suggestion. It works perfectly. Is this the equivalent of backseat gaming? It is, honestly, bro's backseat gaming. How dare you? I'm joking though. Thanks for the help. How do I do this though? I'm gonna guess this is functioning the same way as... Wait, what? Oh, okay, here. So it looks like that. So procedure. Entity types. Switch. Entity in E in entity. Wait, I gotta check how to... Professional backseat programmer here. Also making a joke because I thought it would be funny. Yes, you succeeded in making me smile. Congratulations. You get a fictional medal now. Unions. Union, 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 union. Okay, here we go. How do I compare them? Okay, I do switch E in entity. This is a partial case bullet. I return true. Otherwise, I'm gonna return false. Right? You happy? You're not happy. Expected a type? Doesn't. Okay, bullets. Does it want me to just have a return? What? Oh, I forgot to add a bull here. Okay. I would like to dedicate this fictional medal to I don't know. Okay. Bro just gave away a gift. Like, you're so mean. Okay, let me see if this is actually working. Percent I of length of bullets. Is this a dynamic array? Ah, it doesn't matter. So 0. What? Why does it just... Oh, that's... Okay, it's working. Enough. Well enough. First, let me slow this guy down. And let me also... sdl.log. Oh my god, I'm logging a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this or this. And I'm also just gonna put this... Oh wait, I can't put that there. Wanna know something funny? I'm listening. Have you touched Zig code? No, and I don't feel like I need to touch Zig code. For me, the languages I know are enough for now. Who knows? Maybe I'll want to learn more because apparently it's impossible to survive in this economy without C++. So on click velocity, I'm gonna get bval is gonna be equal to direction. Wait, get direction between player.rect and okay, I'm gonna do something else here. I'm gonna make this overloading function, then get direction rp. B is a vector too. It just does absolutely this. Oh, wait, can I even do that? Yeah, but what's the reason? I can just do nah, okay, never mind. I'm not gonna bother with that right now. I'm just gonna send it like this. Do I save the mouse position somewhere? Yeah, mx my. There's a programming language called Grass. I'll never touch Grass in my entire life. How dare you insult me in such a manner? Oh, I renamed the function. Okay, now everything is all good, and I just do this b velocity. Wow. Oh my god. I forgot to normalize it. Get direction normalized. Procedure arect, brect. Bam, bam, bam. So my friend had a celebration because he transferring to another school. So funny thing, the restaurant he invited us to have an IT closet just wide open to the public zero security camera. Uh, I don't see that funny. This is just a cool story about people not knowing what security is. And get direction between A and B. And then I check if direction doesn't equal a vector of 0, because you can't normalize a vector of 0. It's going to be M normalized. Oh, wait. Oh, there is a vector norm. There's even a vector normalized 0. Wait, that means that I don't even need this. Direction dot normalize. Oh wait, M dot normalize 0. Okay, I guess that exists. In this case, I am also going to be using it here to normalize it. So cut this out. Actually, no, keep it here. Just, I can remove this statement and instead put a 0 here. What's the issue? Oh, I don't return anything. I can just return this. I can just do this. Anyways, I nearly went in there and unplugged everything. Too bad my friend wouldn't lend me his computer. Bruh, what a mean friend. You should stop speaking to him. No other friend would stop you from stealing things or hacking things. Also, it's your time to sleep, Zykos. I'm sorry to tell you, as I really need the viewership, but your sleep schedule is more important. Oh my god, I'm gonna close the window, otherwise I'm gonna get ill. I don't want to get ill right before an exam. Yes, I did already write another exam, which is that it turns out I have another one. First time in a week, I'm sleeping at a time that isn't 1 a.m. I thought you're gonna stop streaming and open a new stream. Oh, so you were hoping that, okay. You're praying to God that you can continue laying in bed, watching. Okay. I also need to do something here. Zoom is going to be an F32. Let me copy it and let me do initialize. Game.zoom is going to be equal to target dot. Oh wait, I need to do it. Game width is 160. Game height is 90. And I use this here, game width, game height. And the zoom is going to be equal to app dot width divided by game width. Okay, F32 of this. No, I don't watch it in bed. I watch it in the backyard while I code. Very good backtrack podcast for coding anyways. Thank you for reminding me. Oh my god. I'm like a backtrack. That is actually a compliment. I appreciate it. Okay, So I'm just gonna have to divide it by blah, blah, blah. Oh my god, English, difficult thing. Divide this and it should be better, but there's still one issue. Wait, I just realized that they are tweaking my game as well. It's just less noticeable because they're zoomed out. Good thing I know the cause of it though. It's too easy to implement interpolation for rendering. I don't know what that is for now. Wait, let's see. Maybe it's something easy. Maybe it's something I can implement myself. Uh, what? What the hell's happening? What? What is wrong with my... What is this? You see this, people? I can't click on this. What? I'm so... Okay, let me quickly move the window away from here. I can't move this anymore. Wait, what the hell's happening? It's stuck. Okay, I'm just gonna... Interpolation or rendering. U frame generation. Oh, that's not... No, I'm pretty sure that's not the better solution. Uh, Basically the frame rate is faster than the game state, and because of that the enemy is rendered in the same place for multiple frames. And when they move, they snap to a new position, causing the tweaking. Press Ctrl W. The solution is to interpolate between the current and the previous game state. Oh, it's like that stupid thing if you update your camera position before you update your player position, the entire world is going to be tweaking. And because I had like the similar issue in... Wait, let's see if I can find it. Programming projects. Or a C#. Wait, which was it? Was it this? No, it was this. Okay. I'll be surprised if this works. Oh, it does work. That's crazy. Yeah, I had a similar issue with like this project where because I updated the camera before updating the player, everything would just lag. I love procedural generation with noise. Noise is so cool. Anyways. That's not the point right now. Quanta dude, nice username, but please stop copying me. There's an article about this. Look up Fix Your Time Step by Gaffer on games. Okay, wait. Let me look this up. Okay, my Firefox is tweaking out right now. Why can I not grab this window? Okay, let me close it entirely. Open new window. Okay, I'm gonna close... Oh wait, I can't use the freaking... Close the YouTube thing, because then it's gonna stop streaming. Oh, this sucks. Okay, I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm gonna open a new window. Open my Twitch on it. Channel. Bam. Oh my god, I'm loud. Okay, I should probably put my microphone a little bit further away. Wait, let me see. Okay, I don't know. It's probably fine. Wayland bug. I think it's just Firework tweaking out. Firefox, not Firework. Jeez, guys. Oh, what is the thing called? You send it. fix your time step by Gaffer. Fix your time step. Introduction. Fix delta time. Okay, I'll keep this in mind. I'm not gonna... Okay, what the frick is happening? I can't copy the link. Okay, I'm just gonna copy the message you sent me and save that. I'm gonna send it to some random person I know with no context whatsoever. Okay. I'm not gonna close this window. Get direction normalized. Oh, is it gonna be a thing where I need to get a relative position to the player? Oh wait. No, it's not. I'm just stupid. It's supposed to be like this. And 0, 0 here. Well, this is a fun mechanic where you shoot the opposite direction of... Okay, let me just negate this. Yo, bullets! We got bullets, people! That's fire. Now I just need to check if they hit something. For that, I'm gonna keep a list of, not actually bullets, but of enemies. So case spider or coffee man. Can I do that? Like this? Like this? Like this? Like this? Okay, no, I can't. Fine. Case, coffee man. Wait, you return true as well. Okay, now I just gotta get to hitting enemies. Let's see, so spider has health. U32. Actually, no, let me make it I32 because otherwise there's gonna be funny integer overflow. And same goes for this guy. So then I do a bullet before the lifetime is finished. I'm gonna be checking if it's hitting. Okay, so if collide. Okay, what I can do is create another function, rects overlap, where it's a procedure where A is a rect and there is B, which is a list of rects, and it returns a bool. Right? So here I go for R in B. I do rect overlap A and R. Then I do if this, oh wait, overlaps equals this, and if overlaps, then we return true. Otherwise, we return false. So in here, I can just do rects overlap entity.rect and enemies. Alright, that's gonna give me entity types. Is there more to the filter function? Where did I find it last time? Someone sent me a link to it. Okay, I think that's it. Is that it? No, that's not it. This is it. Wait, how many instances of Firefox do I have open? Okay, I can close that for now. That's YouTube, that's Twitch. Okay. Filter. Okay, no, there isn't. Okay, then I can just do... How would I get a list of rects from this? I mean, I can just create like enemy rects. Because again, the calculations here are so simple that it doesn't matter if I just BS my way through this right now. Just dynamic list of rect, and then I go for enemy and enemies. After this project, I will not be doing Odin. It's a bit, I mean, maybe later on. It's a good language, like a very good language, but I'm just not a big fan. I think next time I will either do BGFX with C# or Rust with WebGPU, depending on how I'm feeling. But probably BGFX, because it's an incredible library. Like, right now, this project is made with SDO GPU, the wrapper around Vulkan. Like, if you haven't seen, I'm basically... It's lower level than OpenGL, is the best way to describe it. But there's also BGFX, which is actually used by Minecraft and like a bajillion other games. These are not even all of the games made with it. Let's see. I mean, it's very powerful is what I'm trying to say. Coal burnout off the road. Minecraft. I'm pretty sure FFNX is a... Oh wait, no, never mind. I was about to say something, but I was absolutely wrong. Basically, it's an amazing thing, and it's capable of basically anything. Like, look at this game. That looks so pretty. So beautiful. Wow, my internet really is on high speeds today. Oh my god. Is my stream fine? The stream seems to be fine. Okay, that page is not loading for some reason. Basically, it's powerful enough to make anything. Oh, it was even used by Clay Entertainment. But is it their newer project? Yeah, it is their newer project, so they shift to BGFX. That's cool. Wait, did they? I don't know. Oh yeah, and I'm guessing Java Edition is being rewritten to BGFX as well. From... What is that Java graphics library? Like a very popular one. I remember everyone using it. LWGGL. Lightweight Java graphics library. Oh, yeah, it says it there. Okay. Anyways, let's continue with this by... So for each enemy case spider, like this is what I don't like about it. Like I have to be checking if it's a spider, then enemy, then enemy rects dot append e dot rect. If it's a coffee man, I do the absolutely same thing. I'm gonna ask around after the stream if there's a way to, you know, not do this, because honestly, it's quite annoying. Okay. Cannot assign a value enemy rects of type. Oh, okay, it must be sliced. This should also probably return the index at which it overlapped. So plus equals 1. And I, with the bool, I return an integer. So I. And in this case, I return a 0. Actually, no, a -1. Because I didn't get anything. So with this, can I make it like a reference to this struct? Oh my god. Can't you do it in the C way without breaking? What do you mean by that? The C way without breaking? Let's see. Bam. There's some error here. Wait, maybe I can actually. Okay, I can, I think, do that. And I just realized something. It would be better if I get bullets instead of enemies. I'm smart, trust me. Oh, and in this case, I don't even need that. I can just do this. Yeah, because bullets are gonna be easier to work with. Bullet rects here, bullet, bam. Oh wait, bullets here as well. This is bullet. Okay. So instead of checking in the bullet, I'm going to be checking in here, for example, if colliding, wait, get bullet collision is equal to rects overlap the entity rect and the bullet rects. Then I check if bullet collision then, so if it's true, then I just delete the enemy right to do that. Wait, how do I delete ordered remove game entities? Okay, so I do append to delete I. Oh! I just deleted him. No. Okay, so if it collides with a bullet, I should also probably make an iframe timer for them. So where's my spider? He's gonna have... I'm just gonna copy it from the player. No reason to me to rethink it again. So this is iTimer. This as well. With that. With that. If it's hit, I'm resetting the timer of entity.iTimer. But I'm also going to be ticking it here. iTimer. And checking here if entity.iTimer finished. Okay. Then I'm going to do entity.health minus equals 1 if entity.health is less or equal to 0. Then we do this. Okay, now I just need to find the place where I spawn the entity. So iTimer is going to be equal to max time 0.1.0, let's say. And the health is equal to 5. So it should take me 5 hits to kill it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm thinking I fricked up. Yeah, but yeah, that's still good. So with that, let me actually add something. So if he's colliding, let me add a colliding tag for this guy. Colliding is a boolean. Bam. Same goes for him. I just do colliding. Oh wait. I can do entity.colliding is equal to that. And check for that here. Okay, index is an I32. No, I remove this here. Okay. I still don't understand. Why can't it convert from int to I32? It's I32. Like, that just seems like a useless inconvenience. So... Wait, let me actually... Oh, you can hear when I... Oh my god, why is it so loud? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What about now? Jesus Christ, was it that... Hello? Okay, yeah, I think it's better now. It was too loud all that time, I think. Because I just kept seeing it go to like red, red, danger, danger zone. Okay. So entity colliding, and then in the drawing entity function, I'm gonna be like color. Color is gonna be equal to entity colliding. That doesn't work. Oh yeah, if entity colliding. Wait, I gotta do this. Then we do color 1001. Otherwise, the color is normal, just white. Let me also copy and paste this for this guy. And it doesn't work for some reason. He does die. Oh, because I'm not using it anywhere. Duration 0, color is color. Also need to change it so by default it's 1111 or nothing is visible. Let me change this just a bit. So this is actually colliding like that, like here. And in this case, entity.colliding is equal to true. So I can remove this line as it's not needed anymore. I can do that. But in the end here, otherwise, entity.colliding is going to be equal to false. It's only for like one frame. So what I'm going to do is okay, let's say I'm going to add the color onto him. And what I'm going to do is by default, let me set the default color. It's going to be white. But nope, that's not here. That's up here. So I'm going to be checking if he's not colliding. Wait, man, I'm clicking everywhere other than the place I need to click. If entity dot is not colliding, then we do entity dot color dot r equal to math dot lerp between entity color dot r. Oh wait, no, I need to do this for green and blue. And 1 over the span of app delta time, let's say. Same goes for blue. Does it allow me to use a vector like this with that to 1 and 1? Okay, I probably can, but it's gonna be more wordy that way. Okay, so entities colliding, then I lerp to 1. And here I do entity dot color dot green is equal to 0, and the same goes for the blues. How many hours you've going to code for? Like probably 30 more minutes, 20 maybe. I mean, depends on when I get tired, because I don't see a point in programming, especially streaming when I'm tired. That's just not gonna be fun for anyone. Nonetheless, okay, let's see. We delete that. He's colliding. We break. Okay, let's see, this should... Oh wait, I forgot that I need to make it entity.color. Ooh, that's smooth. You see that? It like fades out over time. Let me speed it up though. Oh wait, that's gonna slow it down. Speed it up. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's perfect. Yo, that was crazy. Did you see that, guys? Guys, come on. Did you see that? What now? The enemies die. What I want to do is I want to add like a health bar above their heads. I can do it with like... Okay, so spider. Okay, so that's health. Let's rename this to current health and max health. Like this. I'm gonna have to change this to current health here. And max health is also gonna be like that. Then in here, okay, I need to change this to current health, current health. In the drawing function, so in the case of spider, I'm actually gonna also draw sprite. The texture is gonna be a blank texture. It took me so long to just implement a blank texture. It was crazy. I had like, so in the end of the day, where is it? It's in the sprite batch. In the end of the day, creating like a blank texture is as difficult as this. Just create a texture and then upload it to the GPU. But I was trying to figure for so long why it wasn't working. And in the end, it just turns out that I wasn't using it. Like, I'm not joking when I say I spent like 1 hour to realize that I was just not using the texture. Yeah. Okay, so at first it's gonna draw the entity. Wait, how would I go about doing this? Man. So the length is obviously gonna be like 4 multiplied by entity.current health. And then the Y is gonna be like 2 pixels, let's say. What's wrong? Oh yeah, of course. You don't know how to convert an integer to a float. I forgot. So rotation is 0, and the color is gonna be like red-ish, let's say. Like I think that's a good color. So this should draw the health bar. Okay, well it looks weird. But it works to an extent. So I just need to draw this a little bit higher. Let's say like 2 pixels higher. No, like 3 pixels higher. And with an offset of 4. Okay, 4 is too much. 2. Okay, and then I just like bam this guy again and again. Okay, amazing. Another thing I do is below it, I draw another one with like a darker color and with some transparency because transparency is always cool in games. Okay, see? That's so cool. Let's implement the same thing, but for the player. Where's my player boy? So when I draw him... Oh, and I already have the health bar for player. It's this. I forgot. Ah, I got hit. Okay, so another thing I want to add now is, let's say the enemy... Well, let's actually save the fact that it dies. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it to... Instead of appending it here, we're gonna make it dead equals true. Right? And here, I'm gonna continue doing this basically. Like all of this logic here is only gonna be done like if dead. Oh wait, if not dead. Then we do all of this here. It's probably gonna look ugly as hell, but I really don't care. So when he is dead, all that is going to be happening. Otherwise, colliding is going to be set to false. Oh wait, I need to do like an else. Okay, that's a lot of tabs I got here. And then I check if entity.color.green is more than 0.9, let's say, then we actually kill it. I know it's like a very weird measurement of 0.9. Okay, I can simplify this by saying anti-dead is equal to entity.current health less or equal than 0. What else can I simplify? Any one-liners here? Can simplify this to colliding being false instead of having an else. Actually, I can just put this here instead of having it here or an else statement here. Okay. Let's see. I don't see anything. Why is nothing happening? Oh, and dead. Oopsie daisy. So bam, get hit, get hit, get hit, get hit. Ooh, you see that animation on him? That was crazy. He like stays there for a bit without moving and then disappears. What I can do though is make it even cooler. So here, I'm gonna be checking if the entity is also dead. And I'm gonna add an else if entity is dead. So in case he's dead, I'm just gonna lerp all of the colors, including the red channel, to... Actually, no. I'm gonna lerp only the alpha channel. Entity.color.a to 0 with a time of app delta time multiplied by 4. What is... Oh, entity.color. Not A. And so with this, I now check if the alpha is less than like 0.05. Then I delete it. So it has like a fade out. Okay, that's not working. Oh, and is not dead. Oh, wait, that means that line. Oh no, I think it's fine. So bam, 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 and you fade out. Oh, did you see that? I am gonna speed it up though. Like, a lot. That's so cool. Okay, okay, okay. We got some gameplay here, you know? And now, okay, now what I want to add. Let me think. XP. Yes, I wanted to do this for a while now. So for XP, it's gonna be also a new entity. Let me see what's similar in all of them. Health is similar. Okay, I'm gonna do iTimer. Okay, I'm gonna add these three variables to the entity thing. So that will mean that I'll remove this from here. And in the player, I can remove 3 of these. That's just for more readability sake. And colliding, I'm also gonna add here. Okay, let's see, does everything still work? Just in case. Okay. Man, this is so exciting. Actually, finally doing stuff with the library I made. It's crazy. So, what do I do with this now? Now that I got that working... Oh yeah, XP. I wanted to do XP. Okay, let me close everything that I don't need right now. So, experience. XP. No, experience. Struct. Using entity. I'm also gonna add a level to an entity of an I32. Actually, a U32 because it can only be high. So now I also in here want to have the same thing. Oh wait, how do I do this? Okay, let's just try without picking up right now. Experience. I just need to draw it. So when the enemy finally dies, I'm gonna make a for loop for I is equal to 0. I is less or than entity dot level, and I do I plus equal 1. So for each thing, I'm gonna do x is equal to SDL rand of like 10, let's say. Same goes for y. Let me just add this here. This has to be an F32. And why can I not compare it? Okay, this is U32. Then I also take variant x is a random number of 2. And same goes for y. Then okay, wait, let's see. Because sometimes like it just closes for no reason whatsoever. Okay, no. There are no random breaks. So with that, I create a new here in experience. I need to store the variation on the x-axis, F32. and the variation on the y-axis as well. This is for, in here you can see like the experience has 4 different textures, and I'm basically gonna picking which one of these experiences like to draw the variance. Okay, let's see. So I get that. I need to multiply this by 4 and convert this to an F32, because that's how my coordinate system works. It's all floats. And I do spawn entity experience with the rect being equal to x, y, and 4, 4. Is there anything else I need to set up here? iTimer is not important. Level is important. Max health, current health is not important. With level, let's say equal to 1. Then I got a variable x is equal to that. The same goes for variable y. What? Oh, this needs to be an entity type. I forgot. I was like so confused there. Let me separate this. Dangers. Goods. Like that. Okay, let's see. Does it do anything? Oh wait, it's not gonna do anything because I don't draw them. Where's the drawing function? So in the case I'm gonna be drawing a experience, the x offset is gonna be equal to 96, if I'm not wrong. So 16, 32, 48, 64, 80. Okay, 88. I was wrong. 88 direct is going to be equal to entity dot rect. Oh my god, I just made a mistake, I realized. In here, the xy, actually no, I didn't make a mistake, never mind. Yeah, that's all fine. Size is equal to 4. Okay, is this gonna work? Let's see. We kill this guy. Oh wait, his experience level is 0. He's not gonna spawn anything. Level like 100, let's say. Oh, well, some of them spawned correctly. The other one is just... What are they doing there? Wait, how did that happen? Like 3, 5, 6 of them spawned properly. Everything else just gave up. So let's see, am I drawing this correctly? Yep, I am drawing this correctly. Am I setting it correctly though? We spawn an entity experience with the xy I've got in here. Size of 4, level 1. What if I call this here? Wait, where is it? So if entity dead, then I call it Maybe it's something to do with it already being set to nothing, and it just starts spawning around the cent around 0, 0. Okay, it spawned barely anything now. What is happening? Okay, let me log every X position and Y position so I can see what's happening. X and Y. Bam, bam. Okay. Yeah, all of them seem to be in around. Oh, what? Why is it so weird? Oh wait, no, never mind. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. So it dropped 5 experience. Which is the amount of... Okay, I think it works. Now... I want to... What do I want to do? Oh yeah, I want to increase the range they spawn, because otherwise they're just gonna overlap too much with each other. Yo. Okay. Let me add XP to progress. XP to next level. And let me draw. Let me actually copy the function from here before, these two. But this time, I'm gonna draw at the x0. Actually, no, at the y0. X is gonna be equal to this plus 4 plus 4. Okay, I'm just gonna add autocast. Player max health. Yeah, but I don't want player. I want here to be XP to next level, and here to be XP to... Oh wait, no, that's current XP is a better naming for it. So the color is gonna be like this color. I think it's the... Oh, what was it called? Cornflower blue. The Microsoft default cornflower blue. And I'm gonna be drawing it together with the health bar. Okay, now when initialize, I do player dot current XP is equal to like 1, and player dot XP the next level is gonna be like 15, let's say. Okay, that's all fine and dandy. What I need to do though is max length is gonna be like 100 pixels. So what I need to do is do BAM here, F32. Actually, no, I can just specify this as an F32. And then I need to divide max length by this. So this, oh wait, no, vice versa. Oopsie daisy. This divided by max length. Okay, does it even work? I'm gonna first of all increase its size to like 125, and I'm also gonna increase its size on the y-axis to like 8 by 8. What? Why is nothing showing up? I'm so confused. Wait, let's see. So the current XP is set to 1. Let's set it to like 10. All right. Oh, wait, I need to... Oh my god, how do I do this? So I need to do... player current XP divided by player.xp to next level. All right, I'm gonna call this XP progression bar. And then I need to divide this by the max length. This is F32 and autocast of this. And it's not working because I need to multiply it. Oh my god. Keep making... It's still not working. I'm so confused. Why? Why are you not working? Current XP. Maybe I need to do it vice versa. Oh, maybe I did need to do it vice versa. Nope, I definitely did not need to do it vice versa. Oh wait, I have the size to an unbelievable amount. Okay. I'm now confused. The current XP needs to be divided, can I please, by XP to the next level to get the percentage. Then I have the percentage to fill. So I just multiply the percentage. Does it have an issue? Because it's somewhere near 0. Do I need to convert both of these numbers like that? Oh, yeah, okay, that was the issue. Okay, the UI is too big though. The way I'm gonna change it is I'm gonna make the game smaller. So 60 multiplied by 5 to 50, and this one 35. This is actually a decent resolution altogether. What I need to do though now is, where's the player? Draw player health, XP. Just rename this. And make it also a little bit wider, like 125. Okay. For today, oh wait, actually, let me spawn 2 enemies. Because who knows, maybe something is incredibly wrong. I will also need to make it so they avoid each other. Wait, and now I can make a screenshot for a thumbnail that I'm gonna use tomorrow probably. Okay, let me save this somewhere. Oh wait, that's not where I should save it. Here. Okay. Oh, this is actually good progress I've done so far. Today, even. I fixed like a lot of bugs. I added the bars for enemies and the player. I added a health system, collision system with bullets. Better calculations for directions. Wow, I'm just... Yeah, that was good progress today. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. Because, I feel a little bit tired for streaming. Speaking for 1.5 hours is a difficult task. So, everyone who came by, thank you a lot. Especially the ones who stayed, like Quanta Dude. I mean, Roop, sorry. Till next time. Bye bye.